Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix a VPN that is not connecting on Windows 11. Start by completely closing your VPN application. After that, open the VPN again and try to connect. If it still does not work, restart your computer. If the issue continues, reset your network settings. Open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now, confirm the action, and let Windows restart your computer. This will reinstall your network adapters and restore the default network settings. Next, disable IPv6. Open the Windows search box, type View Network Connections, and open it. Right-click your active internet connection and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 6TCP/IPv6 in the list and uncheck it. Click OK to save the changes, then try connecting your VPN again. Finally, flush the DNS cache. Open the Windows search menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After the command finishes, close the window and test your VPN connection again. If your VPN is still not connecting, check that your internet connection is working properly and make sure your VPN app is updated to the latest version. Thanks for watching.